You can tell by how someone stands. He's scared by his first airway, possible first surgical airway. Gotta move. Vital signs are deteriorating. You better do something to save that life. Get it? Get it? Overcome fear. That is what courage is. Facing the odds. You saw a little girl who was 10 years old leading her people. I'm a grown-ass man on Night's Watch. Just killed White Walkers. Why am I so scared? And she's leading, and now I'm shaking. I think I'm prepared. I'm not as scared as my junior. I'm gonna get my airway stuff ready. Yes, I am. I got two devices. Rescue oxygenation device and another rescue oxygenation device. My BVM. You sure? That's Bran looking down. You got your device? There's something is missing? You need your surgical airway. You got your superglottics. Bran stare makes the smartest man in Westeros. The man who drinks and knows things down himself. Makes the junior down himself. That Bran is me, the red-eyed raven.